Good morning, class. I hope you are all fine. Welcome back to your maths class. And our today's topic is comparison and ordering large numbers. Comparison means less than, greater than, or equal to, and ordering means to arrange the large numbers in ascending and descending order. As we are doing large numbers, so whatever we are doing is related to the large numbers only. Okay, so in comparison means question number 5 of your exercise 2.2, as you know. So what we have to do is comparison. First of all, for comparison and ordering, I tell you one method or a trick, you can say it. First count the number of the digits in the given number. Okay, what you have to do is to count the digits, how many digits are there on one side and on the another side, so that you can get to know which is the large and which is the smaller number. So 1 2 3 4 5 digits are there, and 1 2 3 4 5 6. So obviously when the number of the digits are more, that particular number is a greater, because it is only 32,456 and it is 1,23,456. So as you know, thousands are less than lakhs. Yes, okay. So the lakh number is always greater than the thousands number, that's why. So first of all, just count the digits, that how many digits are there on both the sides. If the number of digits are same, like in that question, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, that means 6 and 6. So starting from the very left hand side, what you have to do, start comparison with the left hand side. 3 3 equal 1 and 2. So if there is a 2, so 2 is a greater than 1 na, right? That's why this number is a greater, left behind the other numbers. If these number are also 1 and 1 is given there na to you, तो हम आगे के नंबर कंपेयर करते हैं. बट बिकॉज 2 इज अ ग्रेटर देन इन दैट नंबर, लाइक 3,21,462 इज देयर, सो इट इज ग्रेटर देन 3,12,000. obviously 12 is lesser than the 21, that's why 21 is a greater number. Okay class, so likewise in question number 11, come to the ordering first, that means 11 and 12. Question number 11, arrange the following. As I told you earlier that first count the digits. If the number of the digits are lesser, that number is always the smaller number from the another number. Okay. So today we are going to do which question number 11 part B, because I'll make you understand the first one. Okay, first I write it here. So the number is 4 3 2 4 5 6 7. Another is 4 5 6 7 8 9 1. Then 9 8 6 2 4 5 1, and then 8 2 3 4 5 6. So you have to compare this. Okay. So what you have to do, first count the digits. Let's count the digits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 again, and 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is the smallest number. And for arranging the ascending order, because we have to arrange them in ascending order, so first number is of that. Okay, for arranging in ascending order, what we have to do, we have to first write the smallest number, then greater, and then the greatest. Now start compare these numbers. The leftmost number, 4 4 9. So this is the greatest one, right? So left that number. Now 4 4, okay, 3 5. आपका तो अभी एक पेज भी नहीं हुआ है. So 4 4, okay, 3 is smaller, that means this is the second number, this is third, and then this is fourth, obviously last. So how we can write them? It's 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is lesser than 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then this is lesser than 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. Okay, and the last one, the greatest one, is in ascending order. Then 9, 8, 6, 2, 4, 5, 1. That means 8,23,456, 43,24,567, 45,67,891, and then 98,62,451. Okay, likewise other opposite are doing. Okay, if you have to arrange that numbers in the ascending order, or in descending order, what you have to do, just write the greatest one at the first place, then smaller, then smaller, then smallest. By that way you can do question number 11 and 12, right? So then come to the question number 6 and 7. What is that? Write the predecessor. Predecessor means -1. What comes before? As you all know na, in your previous classes, what comes before, what comes after, and all. Write the successor. Successor means what comes after, that means next. Okay, and now we are going to do question number 8 and 9. Formation of the number. Okay, formation of the number you want to do right now or in the next class? I think we can do it, right? So let's start writing. Question number 8. Write the greatest 5-digit number using 1, 0, 9, 2 and 3. As I told you, for the formation of the number, greatest number, what we have to do, we have to arrange the given digits in the descending order, decreasing order. मतलब whatever the digits has been given to you, you can just write them in the decreasing order, like 9, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, only 5. That means 93,210. Okay, 93,210. But what happens if you have to form the smallest out of them? Suppose the question is given to you, form the greatest and the smallest number by the using digit only once. What is 1, 0, 9, 2 and 3? So for the arranging for the smallest number, what we have to do, beta na, we have to arrange the digits in the increasing order. Digits, just listen to my words, we have to arrange digits. Okay, so what is that? 0, 1, 2, 3, 9. So can you please tell me or read the number for me? It's 1239, right? Is this a 5-digit number? Is this? No. So what we have to do, in case if 0 is given as a one of the digit for forming the smallest number, what you have to do, arrange the just greater number of 0, just write it firstly, then 0 and then the rest number. Now it will become 10,239. Okay, but if not, 0 is not given to you, like I'll take another. Now there is another question that I have taken from your book only, but we who have to form the greatest and the smallest number using these numbers only once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 digits given to you, so you have to form the greatest and the smallest number using these numbers. So what we have to do for the greatest, just arrange the digit in descending order. That means 8, 7, 6, 5, 2, 1. Okay, 8,76,521. And for the smallest, just reversing the numbers, digits, sorry. That means 1,25,672. Only in case of 0 you have to do just write the digit which is just greater than 0 firstly, and then form the other number in the increasing order, other digits in the increasing order, but not in a case of 0. If 0 is not a digit, then there is no problem for you all. Okay, so I hope you all can do it. Now your homework is to do the question number 5 to 12 in your copy in a proper and a systematic way. Okay, bye.